Casa Lorena is located in Mérida historic downtown in Mexico and it's part of what was once a house from the beginning of the 20th century. The property has been divided several times until reaching its current dimension with only 4.5 meters front, a quarter of its original size. The house has a small inset with respect to the street and the walkway, something not common to find in the center of the city, and which creates a small access area. Crossing the facade in pastel tones, we access a small living room with ceilings over 5 meters high and which still preserve its decal-filled beams proved from French in the hand-cleaned sisal area, and which were part of the construction system of that period together with the wooden beams. A large arch invites you to continue the journey towards the kitchen, which has a quite carved central island and pastel covering in blue tones, integrating the colors of the beam in the living room. The terrace is integrated into the kitchen through the tempered glass doors anchored to the old wooden frames, generating views of the gardens and allowing natural light to pass through them. The roof is a wooden structure that reuses the Marseille clay tiles that were on the property in that same place. On the walls, it was decided to remove all the finishing, leaving the stone exposed, creating a beautiful contrast with the blue color of the pastel tile floors and the red of the clay.